Hello, today I'm going to show you how to set up sleep mode on your iPhone. This is a wonderful feature that helps you get a good night's rest by silencing most notifications and calls. But don't worry, you'll still be able to receive emergency calls from your family and other important people. Let's get started. Step 1. We'll turn on sleep focus first. We need to open the Settings app. That's the grey icon that looks like a gear. Tap on that now. Next, scroll down until you see the word focus and tap on it. Now tap on sleep. Great, you've found sleep mode. Step 2, let's choose who can reach you. Now we need to tell your iPhone who's allowed to call you while you're sleeping. Tap on people, then tap add people. You'll see your contacts list. Select the people you want to be able to reach you, like your spouse, your children, or other close family members. When you're done selecting people, tap done at the top. Step 3, allow emergency calls. This is the important part, making sure emergency calls can get through. The easiest way is to turn on Allow Repeated Calls. Look for that option and turn it on by tapping the switch so it turns green. What this does is simple. If someone calls you twice within 3 minutes, the second call will ring through. This is perfect for emergencies because people usually call back right away when something urgent happens. There's also another option called Emergency Bypass that you can set up for specific people. Let me show you how that works. Press the home button or swipe up to leave settings. Now open your Contacts app. Find the person you want to always hear from, maybe your spouse or one of your children. Tap on their name. Now tap Edit in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Ringtone. At the top you'll see Emergency Bypass. Turn that on so it's green. Tap Done at the top right, then tap Done again to save your changes. You can do this for each important contact if you'd like. Step 4. Let's set up your sleep schedule. We'll set up a schedule so sleep mode turns on and off automatically every day. Go back to Settings, then Focus, then Sleep. Tap on Add Schedule. Choose what time you usually go to bed and what time you wake up. Your iPhone will now automatically turn sleep mode on and off at these times every day. You won't have to remember to do it yourself. Step 5. The final check. Let's make sure everything is set up correctly. Look for Allow Calls From and make sure it says Allowed People Only. This means only the people you chose will be able to call you during sleep mode. And that's it. You're all set up. Now you can sleep peacefully knowing that your phone will be quiet, but your family can still reach you if there's an emergency. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching and sleep well.